Okay, so Barry starts by doing 8 press-ups each day, but improves quickly and does 2 extra push-ups each subsequent day. How many days does it take before he has done 1,000 push-ups in total? So the first thing is it's unlikely to be exactly 1,000 push-ups, but basically we're aiming for there to be, somewhere in the region of 1,000 push-ups. So we're going to work out the day. It might come out to be a decimal. We probably want to round up so that it's at least 1,000 because it's increasing each time. Okay, so we've got the sum is 1,000. We've got A is equal to 8 and D is equal to 2. So if we substitute that into the sum formula, then we have, now what is the sum formula again? It's Sn equals n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now remember, this will be given to you in an exam. You've got 1,000 equal to n, we don't know what that is, divided by 2. 2 times a, I'm going to write 16 straight away there. And we've still got n minus 1. Now remember, that's times 2. So if we want to solve this, we probably want to simplify it down a little bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, let's have a look. I'm going to leave the n over 2 at the top, at front there. I'm going to go 16 plus, now I'm going to multiply the 2 into both of these. So I'm going to have 2 times n minus 2. And then I'm going to have, what am I going to have? I'm going to have n over 2 equal to 2n plus, okay, 16 minus 2 is 14. Oh, in this case, I'm not going to end up with any funny fractions. You may well end up with a decimal. It doesn't matter. You can just enter it on your graphics calculator to solve. I'm not probably going to go on to that step. I may use the quadratic formula. If you do have a graphics calculator, please use that function though. Okay, so what have I got? I've got 2n squared over 2. Right, when I multiply that in there, and then I've got plus 14n over 2. Now what I'm going to actually do, I'm going to bring that 1,000 across here, and I'm going to make that equal to 0. Okay, so if I subtract 0, it's no longer equal to, if I subtract 1,000, it's no longer equal to 1,000, it's now equal to 0. So where am I up to now? Okay, I can simplify that down a bit. I've got n squared plus 7n minus 1,000. I'm going to want to go n equals negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared is 49 minus 4 times 1, being the a, times negative 1,000. Then I'm going to use 2 times a, or 2 times 1. So in here, I'm going to end up with, what is it, 4,049 inside that thing there, 4,049, plus or minus from 7, all over 2. I'll get you to use your calculator to work that out. Okay, I hope that helps, shows you how you can just solve this type of question with a quadratic equation, or formula rather. Thank you.